Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can upgrade to iOS 26 or install iOS 26 using 3utools, and you can go from any lower version to iOS 26 without losing data. As in this video, we will also discuss how you can backup your data on a lower version, install iOS 26, and then restore all your data. The method shared in this video is completely free. Simply head to the official website for 3utools. 3utools is completely free, and then you can get it to your Windows PC. And to use 3utools, you will need iTunes. So get iTunes from the official Apple's website and get it to your computer. Once 3utools and iTunes are installed, simply connect your device via USB and open 3utools. Your device will show up here. If you see a trust dialog on your device, please hit trust. You can see this is an iPhone SE2 and it is currently running iOS 18.6.2. Now to get to iOS 26, simply hit Smart Flash and you will see all the available versions. Please note that you can also use this method on any future version of iOS 26 without issues. First of all, let's get the IPSW. So we have the final version for iOS 26 right here. You can either get the IPSW file directly by hitting this download button and wait for it to download and then verify, or if you have the file on your computer, you can hit import. Now to get the IPSW manually to your computer, you can go to ipsw.me. Simply select your device from here. I have an iPhone. Now simply from this list, choose your device. I have an iPhone SE 2020. Now as you can see, we have the iOS 26 IPSW right here, which is signed. And to make sure that it is the right device or the right IPSW for your device, you can hit device information and you can match the identifier here. So it is iPhone 12,8. And now if you open 3utools, you can also see the product type right here. So it matches my iPhone. So it is the correct IPSW. Now simply hit IPSWs tab and then get the iOS 26 IPSW. Scroll down and get it to your computer. Now open 3utools again, Smart Flash, and then hit import. Simply select the IPSW file for your device you just got. Alright, hit open and let it verify the file. Alright, you can see imported. Now here we have the option to retain users data if you want to upgrade, and using this option your data won't be lost, and if you do a quick flash mode, everything will be erased and you will start fresh with iOS 26. Now to prevent the risk of losing your data, go to iDevice, then select backup/restore. You will see this window. Now here select a path. So I have already selected the path. You can change it from here and then hit backup now. Please wait until the backup is first of all complete. Now according to the size of your backup of your device, make sure you have ample amount of free space on your computer. Also, to make things smooth, you might have to disable the Windows Defender because it can interfere with the backup and the restore process. Once it is complete, you can safely enable it. I will pause the video here and resume once it is near completion. Alright, the backup process is now near completion. The data is now backed up. Now you are safe. Now you can hit OK. Simply close out of it. Go to Smart Flash again. Once you're safe, you can decide if you want to retain users data, meaning it will simply upgrade to iOS 26 without losing data, or you can use the quick flash mode to start fresh. I will be using quick flash mode, and then once iOS 26 is installed, we can restore all the backup. Make sure it is selected, quick flash mode, hit on flash, and then hit flash again, and then wait for the flash process to finish. Flash completed, hit OK. Alright guys, we are on iOS 26, as you can see it right here. Now I will quickly set up this device first. Alright guys, get started, and we are now on iOS 26. Now to restore the backup, we will again head to the computer on 3utools. Please keep your device connected. Now you can see iOS 26.0, and on the iDevice tab, you can simply hit backup/restore. Then hit view all data backups, and you will find the backup you recently made. If you have multiple backups for multiple devices, simply choose a backup, hit a check mark here, and then hit restore all data. At this point, make sure that the Find My iPhone or Find My iPad is off. If it is on, make sure you have the password for your Apple ID, which is bound to your device. Then hit next. Now at this screen, you can choose to restore the application data. I will uncheck it and then hit start recovery. At this point, keep your device connected and wait for the process to finish. I will simply pause the video here and resume it once the recovery process is near completion. While the restore is in progress, you will see restore in progress on your device also. Leave it here, do not interrupt until the restore process is finished. Alright, the restore process is now near completion. Now, once the restore is complete, your device will now reboot. Alright, as you can see, the device has rebooted, restore completed, continue, and then simply set it up. The restore completed successfully, and to prove that, I will open settings, go to general, about, and you can see all my videos and photos are successfully recovered. My restore was from a previous version like iOS 18, so I will manually set the wallpaper for iOS 26. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.